Okay, I started. You can take your pictures.
Alright, yeah, we're good, we're good.
Okay.
Macy's, the Bloc, downtown Los Angeles. We got this one right here.
Let's do our cap view first. There's a big department store, big city department store elevators is what I mean. Oh, sorry.
No worries. Smells a gold ceiling, I like it.
Oh, this is a parking floor.
Yeah.
How many floors does the store serve?
1, 2, and 3. Oh, and P, the bottom.
Let's switch sides at P.
Sure.
We'll get off at 9.
Good idea, then we can get a view. Will you do the honor? Thank you.
This is these are pretty cool elevator. I want to get a picture of the lobby on 1. I like the classy looking lobby.
Same. It's nice. Oh, is that like a faux wood design? Yeah, it is. That's not golden.
It is wood, yep.
Oh, either way.
Then that's it.